Hey, what's up everybody? It's ColeyBoley and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to edit on iMovie. So there's a lot of different features like videos and photos, backgrounds, audio, camera, and files. There's even more once you insert those. So first, let's insert a background. For this, I'm going to use green. Next, let's insert audio. So there's soundtracks, which are ones that have already been, that you can't get in trouble if you use them. And there's My Music, which is music I own in the App Store or iTunes. And there are sound effects. There's everything from dogs barking to a comedy whistle and crowd cheer. There's even mystery. But for this one, we're going to add soundtracks. So let's go down to Action, which is my favorite section, and add The Summit. Then let's put a voice recording, which is what you can do. And there's camera, voiceover, and files that we now have available. So let's click on voiceover, put our little line where we want to start it, and click record, wait 3 seconds, and I will say something for this clip that I'm showing you guys how to make. Subscribe to ColeyBoley. So now we have my clip. Subscribe to ColeyBoley. Now we're going to add text right here. As you can see, I can change the color to black. But for this, let's keep it at green. Now, let's add text. For this, let's use line title. So we're going to edit this top one and have it say this. We're going to have it say subscribe to ColeyBoley. Then we're going to edit this bottom one and have it say ColeyBoley. There we go. And if you want to make it so it doesn't stop right here in the middle, you can click on these 3 dots by the text, which is showing if you want it uppercase or lowercase, and this, which changes the color of text. I'm going to change it to black. And let's make this so there is a full clip duration. You can also use files, which is cool, because then you can add in sorts of different stuff like face cam and all sorts of stuff for gaming videos and other types of videos. Now we have our completed clip. Almost. There we go. Now we have our completed clip. So now let's watch this. Subscribe to ColeyBoley. So there we go. That is how to edit on iMovie. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, subscribe to my channel, and comment below saying I subscribed, and I will reply to your comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.